Today we got a really great tutorial for you. It's how to tag your pages and comments from Facebook's mobile app. And so let's get started with this. If I'm on Facebook and I want to go tag a page within a comment, it's really simple. All I do is go to the comments section and type @ and then I start typing the name of my page or another page I want to tag. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring up a list, and all you have to do is select from that list. And once you've done this, you now have a link that you can roll over and easily like a page. So this way, if your fans see this, they can go in and like your page without having to, scroll back up and things like that. As I mentioned, this is a tutorial for how to tag your Facebook page within comments from Facebook's mobile app. But before we can do this, we have to get the right page number for our Facebook page. And so for pages you're an administrator on, you want to scroll to the top and click on Edit Page and then copy the number in the URL. It's on the end. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our Facebook page, and instead of typing @ and the page, we're going to go in and type @ and then bracket and then paste the page number and then colon, space, and then the page name and then closing bracket. And what this does is it's identical to doing @ and then the page name, but it's going to let us tag our own Facebook page within comments on the mobile app. So now that you've entered this text into your comment, and by the way, you can add additional information to the beginning of it and the end of it. You just do anything before the @ sign and after the bracket. You now have a comment that you can hover over and like a page. So as you can see, it's very easy to tag Facebook pages in comments on Facebook.com. But when you switch over to the mobile app, things get very different. Facebook doesn't give you all the bells and whistles. And so, for instance, if you're on an iPhone, an iPad, an iPod Touch, all you really need to tag your Facebook page is that little snippet of code that I gave you earlier. And to give you another quick rundown on what it is, it's @ bracket the number of your Facebook page, colon, space, the Facebook page name, and closing bracket. And what you can do is, to keep this handy, I like to store this in my notes application on my iPhone or my iPad. In addition, you can also preface this piece of code with something you want to include in your comment. So for example, love the YouTube videos from, and then if I leave it, this number, it's going to link to my Facebook page. So what I do is I just do this. I select all, I copy it, and then I head over to Facebook's mobile app. And in this case, I've got the Facebook mobile app for iPad. And now all I have to do is go to a comment on the Facebook mobile app. For example, let's scroll down here to the bottom and find one. Click on the plus sign next to it and go down to the bottom and look at the comments section. And all I have to do is tap here. In this case, remember, I copied and pasted from Notepad. So I've copied it, I pasted it, and as you can see, it says, love the YouTube video from, and then I put send. And then here's what happens. Look at this. It's my Facebook page that's now tagged in a comment. So why is it important to be able to tag your Facebook page in comments from Facebook's mobile app? Well, if you didn't know, a lot of people view Facebook from their mobile device. And so this way, by including a tag, you're giving people the ability to click on your link and like your page because they might have liked your comment. So should you have any questions on how to do this, here's where you can contact me. As always, thanks for watching.